Baby, I've been trying to stay strong, trying to keep my heart from breaking in my own hands. Every night I sit here, staring at the sky, wondering if you feel this pull the way I do. This distance, it's loud, it's heavy, it's too much. I don't want half your love, I don't want pieces. I need the whole thing. I need all of you tonight. I can't keep holding on to shadows in the dark. I need your heartbeat close, not miles apart. Baby, I need all of you tonight. Baby, come and make it right. Yeah. I've been patient, but patience ain't peace. Every night I'm fighting thoughts I can't release. Yes, I'm in love with you, but love feels lonely too. When I'm lying in this bed, replaying every word you said. Baby, when you're coming home, I'm tired of being strong alone. Waiting on you, baby, waiting on you. Keep holding on to shadows in the dark. I need your heartbeat close, not miles apart. Baby, I need all of you tonight. Ooh, baby, come and make it right. I try to breathe through the ache, but it keeps rising. Nights get cold and my hope keeps sliding. Without your touch, without your voice, I swear I'm losing every choice. I need your warmth, I need your light, I need your arms around me tonight. I keep checking my door, hoping you're walking, hoping the silence finally comes to an end. But every hour feels the same, I'm drowning in your name. I'm loyal, I'm yours, I'm true. But baby, this distance is pulling me through. I need your heartbeat next to mine. I can't keep pretending I'm fine. I need your hands on my shoulders, I need your voice saying come close. I need the night to slow down, I need